Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday the 16th of February with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at this gold chart and wow, big retracement still, but there's a big turnaround intraday. I mean that disappointment at the OPEC meeting seems to have boosted gold. Sorry, once again, it was $10 down earlier on the just as sort of as I was writing the morning report. It's now, well, it was actually $20 at one stage, wasn't it? Looking at that, and it's now just pretty much almost unwound all of that, and that's come at the 38.2% fib level. Interesting. Anyone who sort of saw the dollar yen chart as well, that turned lower just from below the 38.2 or around the 38.2% fib level. So these retracements are sort of stalling around that level, which is a key level, obviously near term. Now the momentum indicators are suggesting that this rally is over, and certainly after sort of giving up more than 60 bucks. I mean, it hit 11.90 earlier this morning, so that's $70 from the high. So you'd still suggest that that is a massive loss of momentum, and the indicators are beginning to show that. The RSI is crossed back below 70, that's a sell signal. Stochastics sort of crossing over and on the brink of a confirmed sell signal as well. So it just looks as though certainly the Bulls are have lost control, but they're sort of beginning to just try and fight back a little bit. But this 23.6% fib level will now become the basis of resistance, so that's 12.15, 12.16 area. Not only that, that is also around about where we're sort of getting a sort of minor resistance level as well. Bit of old resistance from a breakout level, and then became sort of resistance again yesterday. So that is your first level I think you need to watch out for on the upside. 12.07, so you're only about $6 away from that now. But already, as I said, this momentum is beginning to turn around. The support, interestingly, has come in around that range, isn't it? That I spoke about, between 11.81 up towards $1,200, and you're sort of back above that range now on this rally. So that's turned the outlook a little bit more positive. So if you can break back above 12.13, then I think that is when we're starting to find a bit of a turnaround. But at the moment, this is just a bit of a near-term sort of reaction higher. Just the $1 down on the day now as this chart moves higher again. But as I said, it's something that I'm not entirely sort of sure will be trusted in terms of the bulls, because I think that the gold price now, if there is an improvement in sentiment generally, I would say that the gold price is going to be coming lower, and I think this could be just a near-term blip that maybe even gives you another chance to sell, another selling opportunity, because I think that ultimately we are in a bit of a corrective phase at the moment now on gold. Now we've topped out, and certainly the strength of the last couple of candles are quite significant. At the moment, obviously, we're running possibility of a bit of a turnaround candle, which could well drive a bit of a rally, but I still am of the opinion that I think that 23.6% fib level is a basis of resistance now that could well come in and will be important. So I would say just be mindful of that if you're going to start to think about going long again. I think we need to just be a little bit careful. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on gold, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.